Hey guys, so you are looking to start a Facebook page. Okay, before we get started, if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing right now because we're gonna put out a lot of how-to tutorial. Well, there are so many reasons why you want to start your Facebook page. It can be for business, it can be you want to start your own brand, it can be you want to start your own vlogging channel. There's so many reasons why you want to start your Facebook page. I'm here to help you out to get you started this year 2020. On this video, I will show you the easiest way. Let's begin. Hello guys, welcome back. And you are looking at my homepage right now. Okay, so what you want to do is you go up on top and then you have to type in facebook.com/pages. Okay, and then / and then you click enter, and then it'll take you to this page right here. And on top right corner right there it says create page, the green one. So you click on that, and then it will bring you up to this page, create a page. So if you own a business, you can click this one right here, put your whatever your business name may be. Or if you own if you want to be a public figure, a blogger, you can go right on this one. Let's say I want to do a vlog channel, so my name is Luis Vlogs. Okay, so the category, let's say I want to do gaming, so you type in gaming, or right there, gaming video creator, games, toys. It's gonna auto, so if you type in one of the keywords it will pop up. Let's say you want to do toys. Okay, so it'll pop up the toys, games and toys. So I want to do unboxing. Let's say we want to do this one. Hit continue. Okay, why my computer is so slow right now. Alright, so you're right here. So upload a profile picture. Alright, let's say I'm gonna upload a profile picture. Let's say I want to put this right here. Alright, upload a cover photo. So pretty much my cover photo, I get it from canva.com. So let's say I'm gonna upload let's say this one. Alright, okay, so voila. Okay, so Luis Vlogs, that's my profile picture, and this is the cover photo. It's easy as that. And then you could put your post in here. What's up, promote your brand. What's up, I am Luis. So guys, I hope you like my tutorial. It's so easy, and don't forget to subscribe. Peace.